Article 1 on the special town meeting warrant is the transfer of funds from the General Stabilization Fund to the Police Department salary and wages line item. The total amount of the transfer is $688,180.65. The purpose of this transfer is to cover a deficit within the Police Department's salary and wages line item, which is the result of a court-ordered back pay to a police officer who was terminated and ordered to be reinstated and made whole through the arbitration process. Arbitration is a dispute resolution process mutually agreed on by the town and the union in all collective bargaining units, particularly around public safety. The payment to the officer has already been made because it resulted in a court order, which does not require town meeting appropriation. However, in order to close the books at the end of this fiscal year, the Department of Revenue will require that we close the deficit. The only available funding source is our general fund stabilization, which before this transfer has just about $2.9 million.